My name is Mohammad Yusuf. Welcome to Light TV. Today's video we discuss how to integrate payment gateway in our website. So let's start this video. I request to all to watch this video till the end. Only then you will be able to learn how we can use the payment gateway in our website. First, you open Chrome browser and search www.payu.in. Enter. You see www.payu.in. Click first link. This is the interface of Payu Payment Gateway website. Payment Gateway, Payment Solution, Developers, Enterprises, Partners, Help and Login. So click in Login button. Enter your email ID. Next, enter first name, enter phone number, password, create password. Click next button. Continue. Enter password. Login. OTP. Enter OTP send to your email ID. Open your email ID. Loading email. Payu website send one verification email. Loading Gmail page. Please wait. Yes, Payu. Click first. OTP is 4990. Enter OTP here. 4990. Verify email. Yes. Welcome Mohammad Yusuf. What would you like to active account? Go to home page. And again Payu send email in your Gmail account to verify account. Then this is your merchant desktop, your payment gateway. Provide Payu. Wait. Yes. This is desktop mode for Payu Money provide you. First, create account and complete profile. If you want to test for payment gateway, live mode and test mode. So we test the payment gateway in local server. First, check total amount 0 and transaction so date, transaction ID, reference, customer email, amount and status. Your transaction will be appear here. Start your integration. Click start integration. Yes, integration credential, merchant key and merchant salt. This is very important key for your payment gateway. First, you click dashboard mode and log out this page. Wait. Yes. First you click developer option. And scroll down. You see integrate payment gateway provide you available in Java, .NET, PHP, CSS and HTML kit. No maintenance or setup fees. 24/7 support. No document required to start integration. I need integration with website. Click view doc. PayU provide you mobile app payment money gateway and website. So scroll down, PayU money checkout. Yes, integration kit available here. View all kits. PayU money provide you ASP kit, Java kit, JSP, PHP redirect or Python. I need PHP kit. Click PHP kit. Yes, PHP bold master.zip file download here. Yes, our zip file completely download. So in folder and cut this folder and go to this PC and local disk jam folder, because htdocs create a new folder, PayU money. Extract this zip file. Click right button and extract here. Go to PHP bold folder and copy all the file and cut here and back and paste here. Yeah, all set up. So we try to this payment gateway in our local server. So start jam controller. Yes, start MySQL and start Apache server. Go to htdoc file and PayU money. Yes, start local server, localhost and PayU money and enter. Yes, this is your PayU money gateway. Enter merchant key, merchant salt, transaction ID automatically generate, amount here, product information, first name, email, mobile number and hash code automatically generate here. First, enter merchant key and salt. Enter your email. Next, enter your password. Click login button. Yes, login successfully. This is your dashboard. This is live mode and we enable test mode. Scroll down and click start integration. We need merchant key and merchant salt. Copy merchant key and go to localhost, PayU money and paste merchant key here. Copy merchant salt and paste merchant salt here. Enter your name, email and mobile number. Has code automatically generate. Enter pay button. Loading your page. Please wait. Yes, this is your payment gateway. Enter card details, expiry date, CVV number and name. PayU Money provide you test card details. Scroll down and click test card details. Visa and Master. Enter Visa card details. Enter expiry date. Enter CVV number. Name. Click Pay Now. Processing payment. Wait. Enter OTP. PayU Money send in your mobile phone. Transaction ID here. Yes, payment successfully done. Yes, merchant key, merchant salt, transaction ID, amount, product information and name, email, mobile number. Transaction status successfully. Message payment failed or has not verified. Notice undefined index. Solve this problem. Go to response.php and write here error report error reporting 0 and scroll down this page and erase this line and save this page and again check one more time. Copy merchant key, paste here. Copy merchant salt, paste here and name, mobile number. Yes, enter card details, expiry date, CVV number and name. Click pay now button. Processing payment. Wait just a few minutes. We are processing your transaction. Enter OTP number. Click pay button. Transaction ID generate. Payment successfully done. Yes, transaction successful and has verified. No error in this page. Thank you guys. Please subscribe this channel and share this video.